What's up guys, this is Mano. Today I have a rock chip on my windshield. So today we're gonna use this windshield repair kit and let's see if we can fix the rock chip on the crack on my windshield. Let's do it. Okay guys, so it's raining a little bit, so we have to put the car inside, but let me show you so you can see it. That's the rock chip, man. And also I have a crack here because I was driving and I hit a pothole, and after a while a crack starting to going up and up. So but the main one I want to fix is this one, and if I have a little bit of liquid left, I'm gonna put it in this one. Okay, so let's put the car inside because it's raining, and let's dry this one up first. Okay guys, so this is the plan. So this is the rock chip, you can see it. I hope you can see it there. Yeah, so I have this and I have this crack, okay, but this is the main one I want to fix, so that's why I got the repair kit, windshield repair kit. So I want to stop this thing from spreading out, and this one too. I hope I can fix this. At least if I can see it, it's okay, but I want this thing to stop from spreading out more. You can see it. So let's open the repair kit and let's see if it works. It comes with this to put the syringe on top of this, the tape, the double-sided tape, the liquid, alcohol, blade, instructions, and it comes with a pin so you can scratch it and put the resin on there. Okay, so let's install this thing. Let's fix the crack. The first step is to use the pin to remove all the glasses that are loose so that the resin will go inside of the crack. Then after that, use the alcohol wipe to clean all the dirt and glasses that are on top of the windshield. After that, place the round double-sided tape, this one, and put it right on the rock chip, okay? Then remove this plastic from the double-sided tape and place the round plastic on top of that. Now, after that, you can add the resin. Only add half of the bottle in there. Okay, we have to put the syringe in there and then pull up. Okay, pull upwards on the syringe so that the syringe will suck all the air from the rock chip. Then leave it like that for 20 minutes. Okay, now remove this. Well, remove this, push it, then move it up, put it in there, and then push this and lock it, and leave it like that for 20 minutes. Alright guys, so I already waited the 20 minutes for this one, but I can still see the crack. Let me show you. But you can see, so right there. It's almost gone. it's almost gone, but I'm gonna add more. I added already more resin, so I'm repeating the process of the pulling, sucking the air out and pushing the air in. So I think you can repeat this process as many times as you want. If you wanna get rid of the mark of the crack in here, the rock chip, you have to repeat that process as many times as you want. For this one, this crack, I need a different kit, because this is a crack and this is a rock chip. So this kit is only for rock chips. So for this one, it's gonna work perfectly, but for this one, I'm gonna need a different kit. Okay, so let me repeat this process 2-3 times until I get rid of this rock chip. Okay. Okay guys, so I think that's the best I can do for this one. I still have a small mark. Let me show you. I still have a small right there on the top. So I still have a small one on the top, but I think that's enough. Okay, so let's do the last step. So I'm gonna remove all this and put the clear sheet on top and let it dry, and that's it. Okay, I already removed the plastic because it's not drying. Today is very cold and it's gonna take a long time this thing to dry, so I'm just gonna do like this. Oh, like this. So that's good enough for me. Okay guys, so this is after. You can still see this one because the resin, it will dry on the top of the crack and you can scrape it and make it flat and smooth, but since today is very cold, I cannot do the last step. But if you are in the sun, put it a little bit in the sun, this will dry and you can scrape it with the blade and it will be flat. Okay, but for me that's the best one. You can still see that a little bit, the crack. This one Let's see how it looks right now, the crack. You can see it. It's this one right here. Yeah. So it's smaller than before. Okay, from here you can only see a speck. Very small. Before it was big, so now it's better. Okay guys, the rock chip is fixed. I can still see it a little bit, but for me it's fine. It's better. Oh, remember the link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Okay, you have a question, put in the comments, and if you like the video, please like the video, that helps a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.